Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn off the beep sound on the touchscreen of your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is go here to the right of your steering wheel. Here you're going to find this little screen. I'm going to give you guys a closer look on your screen. So right here, as you can see, guys, in the left, you're going to find all of these options. Just go ahead and click on settings. It's all the way down in the bottom. And then here you're going to find all of the different settings on your phone: personal info, Bluetooth and devices, general, Wi-Fi, and so on. So what you need to do, guys, right now is search for sound and media. Once you find it, give it a click, and here make sure you select the first option, which is sound. Here you're going to find automatic sound levelizer and so on. Scroll a little bit down, and then here you're going to find system volume and navigation volume. So the system volume is basically your car or speaker's volume, and the navigation volume is the one we're looking for. As you can see, guys, it's turned on. So if you want to completely turn it off, just make sure you swipe here to the left, all the way to the left, and then it's going to be turned off. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.